If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son.
I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. He's got the rap patrol on the Gap patrol. Foes that wanna make sure his casket's closed. Rap critics who say his money cash holes. He's from the hood, stupid. What type of facts are those? If you grew up at hoes and your zapper told you was celebrating the minute you was having dough. So fuck critics, you can kiss our whole asshole. You don't like the lyrics, you can press fast forward. This is the radio, if we don't play their show, they don't play our hits, we don't give a shit. So all these bags trying to use our ass, so advertisers can give them more cash for ass. Fuckers, I don't know what you take us as, or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. From rags to riches, we ain't done. We got 99 problems that a bitch ain't one. 99 problems that a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I'm the bad son. I got 99 problems that a bitch ain't one.
Years 94 and my trunk is raw. In the rear view mirror is the motherfucking law. I got two choices, y'all. Pull over the car or bounce on the devil, put the pedal to the floor. And I ain't tryna see no how we chase with Jake. Plus I got a few dollars, I can fight the case. So I pull over to the side of the road. I heard,
son, do you know what I'm stopping you for?
Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's still low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know. Am I under arrest or shit? I guess some more.
Well, you was doing 55 and a 54. License and registration and step out of the car. You carrying a weapon on you, know a lot of you are.
I ain't stepping out of shit, on my paper legit.
Well, do you mind if I look around the car a little bit?
Well, my glove compartment is not, so it's the trunk in the back. And I know my rights, so you gon' need a warrant for that.
Aren't you sharp as a tack? You some type of law or somebody important or something?
I ain't past the bar, but I know a little bit enough that you wanna legally search my shit.
Well, we'll see how smart you are when the canines come.
I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me.
99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you have a girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you have a girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. And once upon a time, not too long ago, a nigga like myself had to start a hoe. This is not a hoe, but it's just a habit of pussy. But a pussy having goddamn sense, trying to push me. I try to ignore him, something the Lord, pray for him. And some fools just love to perform. You know the type, battles a motorbike, but wouldn't bust a pig in a food fight. And the only thing that's gonna happen is I'ma get the clapping in. He and his boys gonna be yapping to the captain. And then I go trapped in the Kit Kat again. Back through the system with the riff-raff again. Beans on the floor, scratching again. Paparazzis with their cameras, snapping them. He ain't trying to give a nigga shaft again. Half a meal for bail cause I'm African. All because the fool was harassing them. Trying to play the boy like he's saccharine. But ain't nothing sweet but how I hold my gun. I got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me.
Shut up when I'm talking to you! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up when I'm talking to you! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! I'm about to write everything you say to me. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. I need a little room to breathe. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. Everything you say to me. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. I need a little room to breathe. I got 99 problems, and I'm about to break.
Wiz.
I'm gonna help you re-educate the masses right now.
You know where I'm from. You know where I'm from. You know where I'm from. Growing up in that slum, tatted all on my chest just to let y'all know where I'm from. Haters, I don't see none. Going hard every day, Lord knows I want the best for my son. So I got Chuck Tails on my feet, and I got Big Smoke in my Jeep, and I got all my dogs with me. Anyone starving, man, they gon' eat. And we don't do deceit, we do real big receipts. We do first class cabin seats. If you ain't gon' stand for nothing, have a seat. Cause I'm a real one, that's all day. Foreign cars, that's all day. Going hard, that's all day. I'm getting money the long way. I'm a real one, that's all day. Foreign cars, that's all day. Going hard, that's all day. I'm getting money the long way. I don't know much about y'all, and I've been hustling all day. I don't know much about y'all, and I've been counting all day.